for some new tech for a couple of weeks, and now they are here, so we are going to be doing an unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new MacBook Pro. I'm also going to be unboxing my DJI Osmo 3 camera, the most talked about camera, I think it's also the most bought camera, or hyped camera if I do say so. I'm also going to be unboxing my new microphone, and I'm also going to be doing like a comparison of this microphone that I currently use and the new microphone that I will be showing you guys in this video. And we also got some accessories that came along with it. Yeah, so let's get into it. So here's all of the tech products that we've got, and we are going to be starting off strong with the big baby, which is the MacBook Pro. So this is the 14 inches MacBook Pro with the M4 chip. It has a 16 gig memory and a 512 storage. Sheesh. Let's get into it. First off, I would say that it feels very compact, so I think I have guessed, but then now I would say that I'm correct. It does feel like something that I can literally put in my handbag and travel with. So if I have like a considerably medium-sized bag, this will fit into it. It will fit into my tote bag as well, and I could just leave it on the go. So yeah, yes. We have got the charger. Really nice. By the way, this is my first ever MacBook in my entire life, so it's like one of my big girl purchase. And we've got our charger in here. Okay, I'm not sure how to fix this. Oh, okay, that's this. Take that off. So we take this bit off. Okay, and then it slides in, and it's our charger. Okay, I think I've just done it right, so it's not loose. This is machine for editing, and honestly I can't wait. So I'm going to give you guys the first view of it. We're just doing like a bit of setup. I'm pretty much excited to start editing with this. So for the longest time, matter of fact, ever since I have been in content creation, I have always filmed and edited with my phone, and let's just say that I'm used to editing with my phone. So this is like a big jump from just using my phone for over 4 to 5 years to now owning a MacBook Pro. Yeah, I feel excited, and I also feel like I've got a lot of work to get done when it comes to mastering how to start editing with the new app that I intend to start using to edit, because we are ditching the previous one. Yeah. So now that we have gone on this, I'm not gonna wait until this sets up. We're just gonna do that later on. Next up is the DJI Osmo 3, and I got the creator combo because I wanted to have the full experience of it. I also wanted everything like in one, pack, just so that I don't have to start buying things differently. So let's unbox. Okay, so I am guessing this is the pouch. And this is everything. Camera. Oh, it's quite small for what I have always watched and seen on the internet. And I guess we come back. Gosh. Okay, we'll come to the setting later. Wow, this is pretty much it. And it shuts down in literally 3 seconds. This is the charger that comes with it, so it pretty much goes in here. Yeah. And that's to take it out. Yeah, take it out and take it out. In here, I'm not sure what we have. Oh, we've got the bracket. So I've got the bracket for the wide angle lens. So I think it goes like this. This is everything that comes with the DJI Osmo Pocket. Like I said, I've got the creator combo. It has 2 chargers, I suppose. This is the main one that fits in just here. And then we've got an extra one. We've got this gimbal that literally screws onto this. Honestly, all of the things that I know about this awesome camera are from the videos that I've watched before actually purchasing it. So now that I have it, I've got a lot of work to do, trying to get used to it, get used to the settings that works for me, get used to maneuvering it, just the whole setup of it. I need to do all of that. It is pretty much very compact for a shy girl like me that likes to vlog. When I go out, it sometimes feels mostly very, I would not say embarrassing, because if you love what you do, then it doesn't even matter. But I feel like this is more compact for me to just hold and plug and do my thing. We have a microphone, we've got a handle. I'm not sure where that fits in currently. Like I said, I'm going to figure this out, so we are just going to go on to the next item. Next up is the Holy Land LAC M2 wireless lavalier mic, and for this I have pretty much been wanting to get it for the longest time because I feel like I'm slowly outgrowing the quality of this current microphone that I use, and I just need something better, something more crisp. One thing that I would applaud Apple for is the ease at which you can open their products, but this is also pretty much easy. Got this in Holy Land. I'm not sure what that is, we'll go to it later. And this, there we go. This is the receiver, and we've got two microphones in here. There we go. And this also serves as a charging box for it, so it's pretty much like a magnet. This is the microphone itself, and this is the magnet. So if I tape it somewhere on my clothes, it will literally just stick, and I am recording basically. So these are for the microphone itself. I think literally every microphone comes with this. Let's just see how that fits. I'm not sure, I'll figure it out. So we've got two. Where is the second one? Yeah, we've got two of it. There is also, they're just bits and pieces of different connecting wires rather, that we can use. And this is also a handle, I think. We've also got in here a clip. Wow, so you can either use like the magnet option or the clip option, which is really good. Last but not the least, I think, is another cord. So we got two of these. I suppose this would be for the cameras to maybe charge them. And this is currently the Holyland microphone, and I'm going to have a listen and see if there is any difference. But let me know in the comments if you think that there is any difference between this microphone that I've been using and this current one, and if it is crispier, if the voice is cleaner, you know, just let me know down in the comments. Okay, we are now going to go into the accessories that we have gotten. For accessories, the first thing that I got is this USB-C digital multi-port adapter. On a second thought, I do think that I might not need this, just because I noticed, I went back into the modifications or the specifications of the MacBook Pro that I got, and I saw that it has a SD card reader, and we've got like HDMI and a new lot of additions into the M4 and the Pro version. So I'm thinking by the time I finish setting up the laptop and I look through it, I just might have to return this, because I don't think I would be needing this. Okay, the next thing that I got, which is a no-brainer, is an SD card. I got the 256 gig for the DJI Osmo, and that's what I'm going to be using because we are about to record lots and lots of content and we need space. Okay, next thing I got is, this is pretty much like a screen guard for my DJI. So it's a screen guard for the screen itself and for the camera. We don't play like that, okay, because it's slightly pricey and I don't want to play with, you know, the how to just open. Okay, so I don't want to be playing with, you know, the screen. So it's got like, I think 2 of each. Yeah, we have 2 of each, so I'm just going to install that later on. Last but not the least is this I would say it's more like another gimbal. No, not a gimbal. It's more like an a tripod, but a magnetic tripod for the DJI. So I've seen it. It looks like it takes really good shots. It's a bracket that takes the lower part of the DJI, and then you can just mount this on any magnetic surface and you can take really nice shots with this. I cannot wait to explore this. And guys, that's pretty much everything that we have gotten to upgrade our content. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I cannot wait to start, exploring all of these gadgets and for them to also reflect in the quality of the type of content that I put out. All of these gadgets that I have gotten is just for me to show that I am taking my content more seriously this year. And if you are on this journey, let me just tell you that it is okay to start with your mobile phone or whatever recording device that you are currently using now, and slowly watch yourself grow up until the time where you're able to buy all of these fancy gadgets that you see your favorite creators using. Let me know down in the comments which of these gadgets you're saving for, or which of them are on your wish list. And if you'd like me to do a full review of any of the tech products that I have shown you today, do let me know down in the comment section. Of course, it's going to take a while for me to use these products and test them out and see how they work before I can come on here and give you guys a full review. So if you want something like that, let me know down in the comment section and we'll whip that up for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Ciao.